Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Google Chrome if it keeps closing automatically in Windows 11. So let's get started. If Google Chrome opens and then immediately closes by itself, don't worry. This is a common issue that can be caused by permission problems, corrupted settings, or a damaged installation. In this video, I'll show you several methods that can help fix it. First, open the Start menu and search for Google Chrome. Right-click on Chrome and select Open File Location. When the folder opens, right-click on the Chrome shortcut and choose Open File Location again. Now, right-click the Chrome application, select Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. After that, right-click Chrome and select Run as administrator. Check if the browser stays open normally. If Chrome is still closing automatically, open Chrome if possible and go to Settings. Scroll down and select Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm the reset. This can fix problems caused by corrupted browser settings or extensions. If the issue continues, the next step is to reinstall Chrome completely. Open Settings in Windows 11 and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Google Chrome, click the menu next to it, and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove Chrome from your computer. Once Chrome has been uninstalled, open another browser, such as Microsoft Edge. Search for Google Chrome Download and download Chrome from Google's official website. Install the latest version and launch it. In many cases, a fresh installation fixes crashes, startup issues, and automatic closing issues. After completing these steps, Google Chrome should open and work normally again. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, make sure to subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, browser fixes, and tech tutorials. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.